Driving over to the auto space then, it's not been very easy going for the auto industries in the recent past, and the September data released by the industry body SIAM doesn't seem to indicate towards a very smooth road ahead for the entire industry as a whole. So while there has been some cheer coming in from the commercial vehicle space, which grew in double digits this month, the pain clearly remains in the two-wheeler segment. In fact, what definitely augurs well for the industry is the fact that loans are getting cheaper, and with the festive season just about to kick off, the industry is sure hoping that things turn around. SIAM, though, believes that it's going to be the commercial vehicle space that is going to lead the growth chart for now. As, like the president of SIAM, Vinod Dasari, tells CNBC TV 18's Ronojoy Banerjee that the lower rates augur well for growth across sectors.
Interest rate reduction has been very positive. I'm hoping that the banks will be more generous in passing that on. If that passing on happens just before the festive season, I think that combined with the festive season should see a good growth in the...
Has enough happened of that, passing on to the consumers?
Not yet.
The coming 5 to 6 months before we end this financial year, overall, what are you hoping for really from the government? What else can the government do in terms of reviving the animal spirits, so to speak?
I won't get into the animal debate that is going on right now, but anyway, I think the government is trying to do the right things. The faster there is an infrastructure build, this will have a ripple effect across. There will be more rural spending, there will be more commercial vehicle business. The RBI has helped the government with the reduction in interest rates.
All right, let's take a short commercial